Hey guys, my name is Venki, and today I am going to talk about one of the very fantastic interview question of the JavaScript, which is splice versus slice. Okay, now jump into my note, OneNote, and see my notes. So basically, the array dot prototype dot slice. So slice method returns a new array with a copy of a slice from a original array. First original argument is the beginning index, and second operational argument is a ending index, which is non-inclusive. Means always think as a -1, whatever the length that you are going to put it. Without argument, you will get an argument or copy of a full array. Okay, so if you do not pass any argument and you have just did a kind of array, okay, and that slice, so it's another simplest way to copy your existing array. Let me jump into the code and see how it's working. Let's take the first example where it's a my array, and it's a let's see the output. As you can see, we have received the exact copy of the output, and we have did nothing. We have just put a kind of slice method, so it's just created a copy. Okay, now let's go to again. It's a syntax. If we closely observe the syntax, that is the array dot slice, and it's have a starting index and it's have an ending index. What does it mean of the starting? Denotes the index at which the array start slicing. It means at when you want to start slicing, and end denote when you want to end or stop the slicing. Okay, so let me go to some kind of another examples of that of the slicing. So if we start from 2, which means it's going to be till end. Okay, so let's see, run this particular program and save it. Here we can see, as we can see, that the second output is exactly as expected. And if we just to verify, to make sure that our original array doesn't got changed, we can put as a console.log, and let's say my ARR. Okay, let me clear it, and now just print it again. Look, there is some issue. I have already, it's not being printed. Yep, as we can see, there is a no effect. Now we have talked about slice. Now a slice is the function. Understand what is the slice is. Okay, now a slice, understand about the slice. A slice is, according to dictionary, meaning to join things together. Okay, it's used to remove element from an existing array. Whenever you have a kind of manipulation, you just want to change something in an existing array. In that particular case, what you are going to use is splice method. Okay, the nomenclature of the syntax is like the you can think of a starting index, number of the elements that you are going to delete. Okay, and whatever the elements that you are going to place, that would be the kind of input would be. Okay, so starts denotes the index from which the method will start. Okay, delete denotes the number of the value to be deleted from start, and 0 if you don't want to delete anything. And these are the set of or list of the new value that you wanted to be delete. Let's see the what is the return. Return value is the value that are affected. Okay, that says deleted, the output result would be like that. Okay, deleted count is 0. The empty array would be returned. If there is means whatever the things are being affected, that would be as returned as a result. Okay, we'll try to understand what is the difference between our changing in the actual array or something exactly like that. Okay. Now let's move to our code. Understand splice. Okay. So if I just go to over here and first clear the console and let's save it. Okay. As we can see, it's being deleted. It's a kind of deletion happens till the of two element. Okay, and let's see what are the things are remaining, because after that start everything is going to be deleted. Let's add some more element to make an experiment. Let's say t, and now again save it. As we can see, there will be no effect, and let's understand what would be the output of console.log if I just wanted to print the D. So let's see. Yeah, these are the things has been deleted, right? So that's why that would be the kind of result would be. Okay. Now let's see another one. Start from 2 and delete one element only. Okay. So and save it. It looks there is some kind of issue. Let's add something, then it will give the output. Yep. You can see that it would be accordingly, like one element would be deleted, which is the kind of a star. Okay, so that will use going to be work. Let me take some another more examples where just I wanted to be delete few, delete one, and add two elements. Okay, so in that particular, let me clear first, delete everything, let's paste it. Yep, the one element is deleted, the king is deleted, and then it's going to be pasted. And for example, I just want to delete nothing, just place it as a 0 and first clear it and then save it. Okay, so I hope let me go through, these are the subset of the majorly difference. This method is used to kind of get a new array by selecting the subarray. This method is used to add, remove an item of a given array. And in the similar way, the S parameter indicates the starting index and E indicates the ending index. And similarly, I indicates the starting and denotes the number of the element and the element are being added. The change do not reflect the original array. The change reflect the original array. The result has to be assigned a new array variable. The result need not to be assigned to any other new variable. Okay. The return value is the new array with the value of the selected sub array given array. The return value is an array containing the deleted element. Okay, that takes exactly 2 argument and it's taking n arguments. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed. I have a pretty much fair idea about it, how what is the slice versus the live. Okay, please let me know if any feedbacks or comments. Thank you, and bye bye.